Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to give you a small updation which was released on 6th of this month, that is August 6th. So the notification is basically for the students who have given their board exams, class 10 board exams this particular year. So they already have got the results last month, and they might be already choosing their courses in intermediate, or they might have joined in grade 11. So here there is a small updation. Last year when they were writing the board exams, mathematics, especially when we talk about the subject mathematics, there were two papers. One was standard and the other one was basic. So those who have given the standard paper, there is no problem for them. They can choose either math stream in class 11 or whatever. They can directly choose the math stream. But the people or the students who have especially given basic paper, for them it was told that they need to apply again after they pass out the basic paper. After the results are released, they need to reapply, that is as a compartmental. So they have to apply if they want to take class 11 mathematics. So again they need to apply for standard paper, they need to clear the standard paper, then only they are eligible to take again math stream in class 11. But here there is a very new update from that is released by CBSE, which says that now this year, only for this particular year, because it is a pandemic year, so this year the students who have given even the basic paper in math and they have passed out can directly get into math stream admission. But please remember, this is only for this particular year they have given this exception, not for every year. So this was the first time the paper was split into basic and then standard, two varieties. And standard people, that is the standard paper, those who have chosen, they need not worry, they can take. But those who have taken basic paper and later they have changed their mind and then they wanted to go for math stream, they had to apply for compartmental and write the exam under standard. That is, again they have to apply for math standard paper and then again pass, so that they can opt for the class 11 mathematics stream. Now here this year they have told very clearly this is exemption is only for this particular year because of COVID-19. The update says very clearly that mathematics basic with code 241, they can also go for class 11 math stream without writing the any further examination, only for this current year only. And one more thing they need to do if they want to really get into the math stream, that is they need to consult their school principal and they need to get the particular what do you say, a confirmation from the principal saying that yes, the child is capable of taking math stream. So we need the principal of that particular school has to what do you say, recommend that candidate for taking math paper. So that is what is expected here. So only for this particular year, it's a good news for those who have taken math basic but still want to get into the math stream in class 11, but only for this particular year. So this was a small update which I wanted to give. So stay tuned. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and please pass the information. Those who have already taken, thinking that they can't join in math stream, they might have taken some other stream. Now also there is time for them to change the stream. So please share with your friends as fast as possible, so that you will not be missing out this particular opportunity, those who have appeared for mathematics basic paper. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.